हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप कि आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे एंड वंस अगेन वेलकम इन आरकेजी बायोलॉजी ट्यूटोरियल. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about ultra structure of Golgi body, that is electron microscopic structure of Golgi body given by Dalton, and that's why Golgi body also known as Dalton complex. There are many names, many terms given to the Golgi body. As we know, that is Golgi complex, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus or dictyosome, idiosomes, Baker's body, many names given to Golgi body. See, this is the diagram of Golgi body, and Golgi body have three components, three elements, that is cisternae, and these are the cisternae, these, and they are tubular or sac-like structure, unbranched structure, and these are the large spherical bigger sized vacuoles, and these are the small spherical vesicles. So there are three components, three elements in the structure of Golgi body, that is cisternae, vacuoles and vesicles. See, and Golgi bodies show the polarity, that means having the two distinct face, two distinct pole. One is known as the maturation or transphase, and that is the concave, here depression, and other is the convex, that means the formative phase or cis phase. Clear? And these cisternae are interconnected to one another and they stacked one upon other. Clear? And the terminal end of the cisternae are swollen and they are known as the Golgian vacuoles. Clear? And the space between cisternae known as intercisternal space, and the space inside the cisternae known as the intracisternal space. Clear? See, the ultra structure of Golgi body given by Dalton. Clear? And it has three components, three elements. First one is the cisternae, and cisternae are unbranched, tubular, sac-like structure. Clear? From diagram we can see these are the unbranched, tubular, sac-like structure, and they stacked one upon another. And the number of cisternae depends on the physiological activity of the cell. If the cell is secretory in nature, like the pancreatic cell, liver cell, mucous cell, goblet cell, then the number of cisternae will be much more. Clear? And if the cell is non-secretory nature, number of cisternae will be less. So that depend on the number of physiological activity, that means secretory nature of the cell. Normally, the number of cisternae per Golgi body, that is 3 to 12 in case of animal cell and 10 to 12 in case of plant cell. And in Euglena we know that is the connecting link between the plant and animal. So they have also 10 to 12 cisternae per Golgi body. See, in case of fungi, there is only one cisternae in the Golgi body. Such type of Golgi body known as unicisternal Golgi body. Unicisternal Golgi body. That means Golgi body made up of only one cisternae in case of fungi. In case of liver cell, the number of cisternae may be exceed, ज़्यादा हो सकता है number of cisternae, and that is approx 50. See the next element of the Golgi body, that is the vacuole, and these are the vacuole, and these are large, bigger spherical structure, and they are filled up with the fluid enzymes, and their diameter is about 600 angstrom, and vacuoles are mainly present toward the trans phase, that means toward the plasma membrane, cell membrane of the cell. Next component, that is the vesicles, and they are small spherical structure. These are the vesicles, and they are small spherical structure, that is diameter about 40 angstrom, and they are mainly present toward the cis phase of the Golgi body, means toward the nuclear membrane. Clear? And the ratio of protein and lipid in the Golgi body is 3:2, and Golgi body is stained by the Sudan third. See, the main phospholipid in Golgi body is cephalin and lecithin. lecithin और cephalin नाम का मेन phospholipid प्रेजेंट होता है Golgi body में. And the main enzymes present in Golgi body, that is the nucleoside diphosphatase. Clear? So nucleoside diphosphatase, that is the main enzyme of Golgi body, and cephalin and lecithin, that is the main phospholipid of the Golgi body. And Golgi body have two types of secretion. One is the continuous secretion, another is the discontinuous type of secretion. So continuous type of secretion, that is the antibodies, immunoglobulins. Clear? They continuously secreted from the Golgi body. And the discontinuous type of secretion, that is the certain enzymes and digestive juice. Clear? So Golgi body have two type of secretion, continuous and discontinuous. Continuous में antibodies, and discontinuous में certain enzymes and digestive juice. See, Golgi body show polarity. Polarity means what here? Two phase of the Golgi body. One is the maturation phase, that we say trans phase, and this phase is what? It is the concave phase. धसा हुआ होता है, ठीक है? Concave phase. And this concave phase known as the maturation phase or trans phase. And this maturation phase or trans phase, that means concave phase, always toward the plasma membrane or cell membrane of cell. Clear? ये फेज जो है कॉन्केव फेज, दैट मीन मैचुरेशन फेज, ये हमेशा किस तरफ रहता है? सेल मेम्ब्रेन की तरफ, ठीक है, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की तरफ. और जो दूसरा फेज है कॉन्वेक्स फेज, दिस फेज दैट वी से फॉर्मेटिव फेज और सिस फेज, एंड दिस फेज ऑलवेज टुवर्ड द न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, न्यूक्लियस, टुवर्ड द न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. So these two are the phases in the Golgi body. That's why Golgi body show the polarity. Polarity means one is the concave phase, another is the convex. Convex phase means उभरा हुआ जो रहता है, ठीक है, convex phase. और इस फेज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? फॉर्मेटिव फेज या सिस फेज. और इस साइड से, कॉन्वेक्स साइड से गोल्गी बॉडी का फॉर्मेशन होता है. क्लियर? और जो ट्रांस फेज है, दैट मीन मैचुरेशन फेज है, इस साइड से गोल्गी बॉडी का मैचुरेशन होता है. क्लियर? दैट्स व्हाई देयर आर टू डिस्टिंक्ट फेज. दैट्स व्हाई गोल्गी बॉडी शो द पोलैरिटी. वन इज द कॉन्केव, अनदर इज द कॉन्वेक्स फेज. सी द जोन ऑफ एक्सक्लूशन. Zone of exclusion means there is a clean cytoplasmic area around the Golgi body. Golgi body के चारों तरफ, सेल के अंदर, सेल के साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर, Golgi body के चारों तरफ क्लियर एरिया होता है, क्लियर साइटोप्लाज्मिक एरिया होता है, जहां पे कोई भी सेल ऑर्गेनेल नहीं प्रेजेंट होता है. तो ऐसे एरिया को बोलते हैं हम जोन ऑफ एक्सक्लूशन. ओके. Next here, GERL system. GERL system, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum lysosome system. So Golgi body also involved in GERL system formation. And GER, that is Golgi body endoplasmic reticulum. See, these cisternae are interconnected, and the fluid of one cisternae continuous to the fluid of another cisternae, and the cisternae are not the straight structure, it is somewhat curved. जो cisternae है वो somewhat क्या होता है, curved होता है, straight structure नहीं होता है, and they are stacked one upon other. Clear? See, this is the structure of Golgi body, and in next lecture we will discuss the function of Golgi body. So I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share the videos.